Welcome to our video on how to establish a successful bedtime routine for your child. As a parent, getting your child to bed at night can sometimes be a challenge. However, with a little bit of planning and consistency, you can establish a successful bedtime routine that will help your child get the sleep they need. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks that will make bedtime a little easier. Step 1. Establish a consistent bedtime. The first step in establishing a successful bedtime routine is to set a consistent bedtime for your child. Ideally, this should be the same time every night, including weekends. A consistent bedtime will help your child's body get into a rhythm, making it easier for them to fall asleep. Step 2. Wind down time. About an hour before bedtime, start winding down your child's activities. This might include turning off electronics, dimming the lights, and doing some quiet activities like reading or drawing. This will help your child's brain and body prepare for sleep. Step 3. Bath time. For many children, a warm bath can be a relaxing way to wind down before bedtime. Make bath time a part of your child's bedtime routine, and follow it with some quiet activities. Step 4. Bedtime routine. After bath time, it's time to start the bedtime routine. This might include brushing teeth, putting on pajamas, and reading a bedtime story. Choose calming activities that your child enjoys and stick to the same routine every night. Step 5. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Finally, make sure your child's sleeping environment is conducive to sleep. This might include a comfortable bed, cozy blankets, and a cool, dark room. You might also consider using a white noise machine or blackout curtains to block out any noise or light. Conclusion: establishing a successful bedtime routine for your child takes some effort, but it's worth it for a good night's sleep. Remember to be consistent and create a calming environment, and your child will soon learn to associate bedtime with relaxation and sleep. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.